Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on auto update for apps or to turn it off. So stick to the end of the video, and if you find it informative, if you find it insightful, I want you to subscribe to the channel for content just like this.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So at the top bar, you see me navigating. So I'm going to navigate over to quick settings. I've tapped OK to come in, and now I'm going to navigate to all settings. So now that I have my all settings page turned on, I'm going to be looking for the option that will enable me turn on auto updates for apps. So I'll do that by navigating down, and I'm going to apps. So under apps, go down to manage updates, click on it. App install allows it on. You're going to find turn it on automatically. Do that apps will stop storage, and you could look at the apps on device. If you are insightful, you find out informative. I want you to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the video.